Hey everybody, Jimmy with Weller's Utility Trailers out here at our 18-foot line. Want to talk to you about this trailer here. It's a BWISE trailer, 18-foot long, 10,000 pound, right at the front, 2 5/16 coupler. Breakaway switch with the coil, so you don't got to worry about it dragging. Sand foot on the jack. The breakaway switch has a tester, which is a great feature because sometimes those batteries die and you don't know it until you need it, and that's a horrible time to find out. Has the front bar so you don't drive off the edge. Wood floor, treated wood floor. Lots of stake pockets. Stake pockets are great if you want to build your sides up. Has diamond plate fenders, which are stronger than just the regular smooth fenders. 6-lug wheels, which means they're 5,000 pound axles. Brakes on all 4 tires. The ramps, nice and long, and they are adjustable. LED lights all the way around, and notice how the tail lights are encased in steel enclosures. So if you bump into something, you don't got to worry about it breaking your light instantly. This trailer here, 18 foot, 10,000 pound, available at Weller's. We have financing, we have rent to own. If you're a Delaware customer, we can do your registration. If you're not a Delaware customer, you're not going to pay us sales tax. I'm Jimmy with Weller's. Thanks for watching and have a fine day.